Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video. How you guys doing? Hi! So I'm back to do another reaction video to a video that someone pointed out or posted to me. It's called K-pop versus J-pop Girls Group. This is another video. I've known in the past I reacted to a video from J-pop versus K-pop Girl Group. So this is a second video and I don't believe they're the same ones, recording artists in this one. So let's go see what they're gonna be giving us. Come on, Twice. Yes. AKB48. Come on, ladies. Moon, Prism, Power. It's Z. It's yay! Yes. It's Who's this? Perfume. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous. Yeah. I don't know this one. I know the group It's One, but I don't know this group. Okay. It's Root S. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Come on, Japan. I grew up you guys in high school. G-Idol. I love this group. I love you guys' song HWA. Dum da dum day. Dum da dum day. Dum da dum day. Dum da. Okay, Japan. Yes. Ace. 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 Red Velvet. You can really hear the difference between the J-pop and the K-pop. Wow. Shoulders. Yes. Ooh. Not Japan. Come on. Blackpink. What is Selena Gomez? Where have I been? Okay, Selena Gomez. Okay. Oh, I thought it was Nemi Yamura for a minute, but she retired. I forgot. Ah. 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 Come on, fairies. Ah. Ah. Ah, who the hell is this group? Fairies. Oh, boy. Ring. Oh, I do notice it. Ring, ring, ring. Oh, this sounds like somebody. Who just sound like? You sound like a pop star. Come on, Becky. Hey, 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 hey. Ah, what the girls out there? I love this group. Girls gotta live. K-pop, you guys was doing it, but you guys, E-girls. Youthful and Beauty, really, they sell that a lot. K-pop, you guys were killing it. What is this? Child, wonder why they such a good vocals over their hand performance in Japan. Okay. WSN, who are you guys? Okay, who is? Oh, NGT48. Yeah. Yes. Oh my god. Why am I getting card capture Sakura watching this? I need to go watch that anime when I'm done. Oh, I think it's on Netflix. I need to go watch it. Okay. As you guys could see, that was J-pop versus K-pop video edition. Yay! I'm gonna say this video, I say both sides was giving their all. The K-pop versus the J-pop. I won't sit here and lie to you. When it first started, I was like, ooh, J-pop, ooh. But they came in the end. But at first it was K-pop, but it came together in the end. You could really hear the difference between both genres of music versus K-pop versus J-pop. It's everything. I love it. You have Blackpink on there. You have Fakie on there. Oh my god, Fakie. G-Idol on there. It was very good. So what do you guys think? What do you guys think? Based off this list of this video this person sent me, what do you guys think? As always, whatever you guys want to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. And I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate you guys for watching. Bye.